Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your work won't be lost. Commit or stash any local changes because deleting a branch removes its ref, not commits. Next, open the repository on Github and click the branch selector near the top left to see available branches. Once done, decide whether you're removing a local branch on your machine, a remote branch on GitHub, or both, since the commands differ. Make sure the branch is not the default branch, because GitHub prevents deleting the repository's default. On GitHub's website, go to the Branches tab, find the branch, and click the trash icon to delete the remote reference. This removes it for collaborators. For your local copy, open a terminal and run git branch dbranch name to safely delete. If Git refuses because the branch isn't merged, use git branch dbranch name to force. After deleting remote or local branches, run git fetch prune or git remote prune origin to clean up stale remote tracking branches and keep your refs tidy. Finally, verify removal. Run git branch for locals and git branch r for remote tracking branches. Confirm GitHub no longer lists the branch. If you deleted by mistake, you can often recover commits via git reflog or recreate the branch from a known commit hash and push it back. If a remote delete fails, make sure you have push permissions on the repository and that the branch is not protected. Check branch protection rules in the repository settings, because protected branches cannot be deleted until protections are changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.